Car phone mount, dashboard car phone holder, washable strong sticky gel pad with one-touch design compatible iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, X8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, Galaxy S7, S8, S9, Google Nexus, QA and more. Ultra sticky suction pad. Secure suction pad sticks tightly on the dashboard or most surfaces. Remove easily by pulling the suction pad without leaving any nasty mark on your dash. Note, as summer approaches and days are getting hotter, please avoid direct exposure to the sun as this may affect the function of your car mount. Extendable arm. Telescopic arm can extend from 4.6 inches to 6.6 inches and pivot up or down for optimal viewing height. Prevent from blocking your view while driving. 360 degrees rotations. Swivel ball head ensures 360 degrees free rotations to your desired viewing angle. Quick to adjust for a safe and effortless drive. Flexible arm lock. Simply press the button to adjust arm width that ranges from 1.6 to 3.5 inches, 4 to 8.8 centimeters. Our car mount holder is compatible with most smartphones up to 6 inches. All-around protection. There are sponge cushions on the car phone mount for secure and wobble-free fit for your cell phone. Foldable holding feet allow hassle-free charging for your cell phone. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.